Webster's Dictionary defines the word bargain to mean bought or offered for sale more cheaply than is usual or expected. Well, hang on to your hat, as WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida, offers bargains galore and the lowest prices of the season. 50% off every item in the store on Friday, February 21st through Monday, March 3rd, 2025. As the weather warms, it's time to spring clean. Freshen your home with bright, clean, and colorful fabrics and patterns. From sheets and pillowcases to shams, comforters, blankets, and throws, it's now easier and more affordable than ever to give your home a bright new look. New products arriving daily, and if you haven't shopped WestPoint Home lately, well, you just haven't shopped WestPoint Home. So enjoy great brand names like Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and more. All at the lowest prices of the season at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet's Lowest Prices of the Season sale. Wonder how they got that name. Friday, February 21st through Monday, March 3rd, 2025. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. Now open 7 days a week. It's WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet, and let the bargains begin.